Be tormented. Hello, my friend, dear unique. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Be tormented, my friend. You know, whatever you want, whatever you want to achieve in life is actually outside of your comfort zone. If you wanna, to gain new skills, valuable experiences, you need to put yourself in different and difficult situations. When I look back at my life, the path I've taken, the hard part has always been putting myself in difficult situations. And I know that stepping out of my comfort zone has made me the person I am right now and the successful artist I am. So, you have to be the heroine, the queen, the king, the hero of your own life. You have to look for situations that make you uncomfortable. If you really want to get out of your place where you are right now and you don't like it, if you really want to get your freedom, you have to do it. You need to push yourself towards things that will bring you closer to your future, your goals. You have to achieve what you want, and you have to work for it. Yeah. Dear unique, always remember, there's only one you. No one, absolutely no one can take your place. And also, you cannot take someone else's place. So focus on yourself, okay? And be brave. Be in the shelter of God's love, always, forever, and beyond.